Noah, have you managed to get a hold of the doorstop again? Why do you like doorstops so much? Is it because they're tasty? Is it because they're low calorie? Or is it just because they're fun to chew on? Yeah, here he comes. The quick crawling doorstop chomping Noah Stanley Danger Fishman. What will he do next? Oh boy, I heard that belch. That's my boy. Is there a tugboat in here? Bye, Noah. Bye-bye. Well, you keep chewing on this, and so I'll say bye-bye to everyone. Oh, you want to also? Okay. What is it? You want to show them you're climbing too? Wow. Not only is he a doorstop chomping, quick crawling, belching kind of guy, he's trying to stand up on the bookshelf. Now, can we say goodbye? Okay, everyone. I was going to give you a kiss bye-bye. Bye-bye!